Hi, I'm Eric Lee, and this is my project 1 of CS50 course. So this is the homepage of the project wiki, and as you can see, there's 5 entries: CSS, Django, Git, HTML, and Python. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is that when you type /wiki/ any of the entries names like HTML, what you get is the HTML page that the wiki offers. So this is the title, and this is the content of the web page. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can also try something else. Like we can try /wiki/ an entry that does not exist within the wiki yet, such as hello, and you will be brought to the not found page. You can go back home, and another feature that I have implemented is that when you click on any of the entries, it's a link. So if you click on, let's say, CSS, it brings you to the CSS page of Wiki. And you can try this on other entries as well, like Python, and it brings you to the Python entry. Also, the search bar allows you to search any of the entries that already exist. So it's like a shortcut method to go to your page. And for example, if you type the entry name like Git, it brings you to the Git page that exists within Wiki. Another feature is if you type, you don't have to type in everything. If you just type a substring like pi, it will bring you to pages that start with pi, of which in this case is Python. Another feature is the new page feature. So if I click on create new page, I am brought to this page where I can add the title and I can add the content of the page itself. So for the title, I'm just going to write Java. And for the content, I'm going to write Java is a highly popular programming language managed by Oracle. This way, when I submit the form, I am brought back to the index page, the home page, and you can see that the Java entry is added onto the entries. So likewise, if I click on Java, it will bring me to the Java entry. And you can see title and the content match what I wrote before. Also, if you try creating a new page, but the title already exists, like Python and some content, it will bring me to an error saying page already exists. So it won't actually put it in there. And also another feature is that you can edit the page. So if I go to HTML and I click on edit this page, I can edit the content within the page. So I can say, I can put a little exclamation marks at the end. And if you submit the page, it redirects you to the HTML page, and you can see that the information, the content has actually changed. You can see the exclamation marks there. And finally, the last feature is the random page feature, where if I click random page, it brings me to a random page with a random page in my wiki, like all of the entries. It brings me to a random entry, and it works every single time. So if I click home again and click random page again, it will bring me to the HTML page. If I click home, random page, it brings me to Python. So it keeps changing. Finally, all of these entries are managed by Markdown. So the original content is Markdown, but I have translated the Markdown into actual HTML and actual text. So if you click on HTML, these are not Markdown text, but actual text, original text. And that is my project, and thank you for listening.